System pages are pages that your online store creates automatically to show dynamic content. For example, a product page displays the details of a product, and the cart page shows the contents of a customer's shopping cart. Most of the time, these pages work well as they are, but if you want to customize them, here's how. To edit these pages, we'll switch to the theme editor. At the top, there's a menu where you can find all the system pages, like the front page, product catalog, cart, and search. Next, let's open the product page as an example. The product shown here is just an example. It could be any product. If you need to edit the product itself, you can do that in Product Management. Here in the theme editor, you can add additional sections to the product page if needed. When doing this, keep usability in mind. System pages contain important information for customers, so often it's good to add custom sections below the main content. Or, if placed above, they should not take up too much vertical space. To add a new section, click the plus icon. This opens the section selector. I'll choose a text section. You can edit it just like sections on any other page. When you're done, save the changes from the top right corner. Now let's preview the store on the other tab. When we browse the products, you can see the text we added appears on all of them. It's also possible to make changes only to certain products or categories. That can be done by creating custom templates in the theme's source code. You can find instructions for this in the developer documentation. Editing code does require some technical skills, but you can also get help from the Finqu Partners Network.